Really, really exciting. This is brand new, and today we have it for you in great, great color choices. This is your seasonal nested pedestal bowl. It's not only beautiful, it is functional, and boy, oh boy, is it at a great price. $35 gets it home when you not only get one, not two, you actually get 4 pieces here when you think about this, right?
Absolutely.
So take us through the bowls.
So again, I love the fact that you're getting both of these bowls. A 2-quart's going to be your largest, just over a 1-quart. But notice that we put the pedestal there. So this gives it up. This gives it that gorgeous silhouette. Keeps it up off. Absolutely keeps it up off the table and just gives it that gorgeous look. I envision floating water in here and citronella candles out on the barbecue. I envision your cold salads. I love having bowls because I think people are always looking for bowls as gifts. They're always going out plastic, metal, glass. These are stoneware, so everything we do with our baking pieces, we can do with our bowls as well.
It's already really popular. If you want it, H217814.
We just did it in seasonal.
Can we show?
This is so exciting.
Let's show the seasonal choices.
Yes.
You got to be on the phones with us right now to get this.
All right, so this was our firework, just bringing that over to remind you. But we also have our firework fetty. So remember, 2-quart and a little over 1 quart. We have your summer. This is one of the only times where we've ever done just all seasonal.
I love
There's that
this.
gorgeous summer, and if you take a peek, you'll see the pedestal detail as well.
There you go. Look
there
at
we
that.
go. Look how
and
gorgeous
the
that
pedestal
is.
right there. It's so pretty.
Then we have our ocean fetty, and we have our egg hunt.
Oh, beautiful.
Look at that.
You know, my mother always takes food on the Saturday before Easter to be blessed.
Okay.
And she always puts it in like, something very pretty because she wants the priest to like see it and everything. And so this is like exactly what she would take.
It's beautiful.
To church, and like she'd have everything in there, like all her little cross buns and everything like that. And then the priest would get the food. She would bless the food.
Oh, I love that.
And then on Easter morning, she serves it like that.
Perfect.
That is so pretty. $35 gets that home. And remember, you're getting 2 of the bowls with the snap-on storage covers. But you can bake in these.
Yes.
You can serve in these. You can store in these. You can leave these, put these in the refrigerator, keep cold things cold, keep hot things hot. And we are really busy with this. So Tara?
I'm going to blow your mind.
Yes, okay.
I actually sent him a picture, full disclosure, of this before we even started the show because I'm obsessed with this. My mother is so brilliant, okay?
Oh, wow.
Look at what she taught me to do.
Seafood tower.
Because stoneware is a great combo of keeping things hotter longer, it's also a great insulator of cold. We stack the bowls. We put ice cubes under the bowls there, and then you stack that on top, and now your shrimp cocktail. Anything you want to keep nice and cold. First of all, the display is stunning.
I love this.
Everybody can help themselves, and this will stay.
It looks like you went to a 5-star restaurant.
You're absolutely right. And all you did was take 2 bowls, not your glass, not your metal, not your plastic, but your stoneware that has that pedestal that now you've actually turned your table into a showcase. Like you said, you eat with your eyes first.
You can do this when you have the right pieces in your house. It's oftentimes that it's at like the last minute, you're like, I don't have that.
Right.
Pick it up today. Enjoy it, use it, and have it at the ready, because when somebody invites you over for a barbecue and you want to bring over the pasta salad or the potato salad or the coleslaw, you want to be able to present it beautifully.
And how about leaving it behind? Maybe you want to leave it as a hostess gift. Something like this I love, because here's the deal about bowls, and I say this all the time. Everybody can use a bowl. Maybe you're not a chef. Maybe you don't love to cook, but you love takeout. You love to put a meal on your table for your family. These are the pieces to do that in, and it'll stay nice and cold. So your mayonnaise-based salads look so stunning in our firework and our firework fetty. Absolutely perfect for summertime.
This is firework fetty. That's the old world firework fetty. Look at the pedestal design there. These are super popular. Remember, seasonals, they come in, they leave. We don't even know if they'll come back next season. Collect these, get them home for yourself. Right up over here, let's go to the fireworks. Okay, so this is all me. Right over here.
And this is all me.
Okay, good.
See? Brother and sister.
Yes, I get the bigger bowl, you get the smaller bowl.
I just want the cookies.
600 orders already placed.
Thank you, everybody. These are
$35 gets them
amazing.
home. Take a look at your screen. This is the firework in floral lace. I love this one. This is beautiful.
Thank you very much. So here, of course, we have your cold fruit. You could have a beautiful fruit salad. I love the way we displayed that here because everybody can just kind of pick and help themselves. And then, of course, we did our cookies along with it. Here we paired it up, of course, with the cheese board that you were just looking at, as well as the ramekin set from the first item. And look how everything pairs and works together. This could be your table, and you would use these pieces day in and day out.
Build your Temp-tations wardrobe. Build your Temp-tations piece, collection, where you can now bring things together, serve the family, have everything for the party, have everything for the Sunday dinner. And by the way, what's lovely about this is it's not just,
Thank you.
Again, it's not just beautiful. You can actually bake in here. What did you do today?
So first of all, can we just talk about how stinking cute this pedestal bowl is an egg hunt? I love the detail here. We baked a cornbread over here, but here we actually did a beautiful wild rice dish with chicken. And I tucked it under the broiler, which is why you see all of that ooey gooey cheese, but nothing is sticking to the sides. That's what we love. That's what we expect from Temp-tations. Yes, they're beautiful. We talk about that all the time. But if they weren't doing what we say day in and day out for the last 17 years,
we wouldn't have sold 18.8 million sets.
You wouldn't keep coming back for them. They truly do make life easier, and I always say you're not going to get it until you get it.
You know, 18.8 million sets sold here at QVC. I remember when I first got my very first set of Temp-tations home, right? It was like a 36-piece set.
That's it?
Yeah, well, I had just moved into my house.
Yes.
And it was I had this big kitchen. I was like, okay, well, I'm going to need some really good serving and bakeware pieces. I brought it home. I found myself cooking. I found people complimenting my food more.
Nice.
I wasn't necessarily the cook when I came to QVC, you know? And now I feel like I'm, you know, a little master chef in my kitchen.
I love that.
And a great entertainer because of pieces like this. Have your life be beautiful from the outside in as well as from the inside out. When you put your heart and soul into a meal for your family, let them see it right away. That's what Temp-tations allows you to do. And here today, we're giving you a great value on something brand new. You've never seen it before today.
I know, never seen it before, and I love, again, the fact that it's two great sizes. Your 2-quart and a little over 1 quart. I love what you were just saying. We hear it all the time, that it gives people permission to cook again, that their husbands comment on the way their table looks, and they don't comment on anything usually, but it's something about these dishes that become the excuse to gather your family back around the table to make those memories each time.
So let's show you your color choices one more time, because again, this is brand new. It's the very first time you're seeing it on air. It's really popular. That's the firework. It's the floral lace kind of design, and your seasonal. And once it sells out, can't bring it back in.
That's right.
Then we have it for you in what we're calling Firework Fetty, which is your old world design. Look at the pedestal. Look at the pedestal on that bowl. And you remember, you're getting both of them.
That's right.
2
with
quart
lids.
capacity and the 1 and...
Just a little over 1.
1 1/4. Okay, there you go. Then we have right over here.
That's our summer.
Summer. I love this.
I love that. My mom collects the summer now.
Oh, it's...
Then we have Ocean Fetty.
Love that Ocean
Love
Fetty.
that. And look how beautiful the egg hunt is in there. I know many of you love to collect those pieces. Pedestal bowls. Mind blown.
Egg hunt is the most limited. You're going to get this home and absolutely enjoy this. Oh, you know what I would do with this?
Tell me.
I would serve like a cioppino. And actually, this would be my bowl. Right here.
Perfect.
Oh, yeah, you guys can all get like a ramekin size. I'll get
Hey, we have those too.
in the cioppino, exactly. All right, so that one, again,